Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to your maths class. Let us continue with chapter number 9, time. Dear students, the topic that we are going to discuss today is conversion of units of time. It means today we will learn how we can convert year into months, months into days, weeks into days, days into hours, hours into minutes, and minutes into seconds. Let us learn. Let us learn how we can convert year into months. Dear students, do you know how many months are there in a year? Yes, there are 12 months. But do you know how many days in a year? One year may have 365 days or 366 days in a leap year. But for calculation, we take only 365 days in a year. It means we will write 1 year equals to 365 days. Now let us convert 10 years into months. For that we will write since 1 year equals to 12 months, then therefore 10 years equals to 10 into 12 months, that is 120 months in 10 years. Now let us learn how we can convert months into days. Dear students, 1 month may have 28, 29 days in a leap year, 30 days or 31 days. But for calculation, we take 30 days for a month. It means we will write it as 1 month equals to 30 days. Let us convert 5 months into days. 1 month equals to 30 days. Therefore, 5 months equals to 5 into 30 days. It means 5 months has 150 days in it. Now let us learn how we can convert weeks into days. As we all know, 1 week has 7 days. Let us now solve one example converting weeks into days. Let us convert 7 weeks into days. As we know, 1 week equals to 7 days. So let us convert 7 weeks into days. We will multiply 7 from 7. It means there are 49 days in 7 weeks. Now let us learn how we can convert day into hours. As we all know that 1 day has 24 hours. So let us solve one example. Let us convert 9 days into hours. As we all know, we will write since 1 day equals to 24 hours, 9 days equals to 9 into 24 hours. That will be 216 hours in 9 days. Now let us convert hours into minutes. As we all know, 1 hour has 60 minutes in it. Now let us convert 3 hours into minutes. Since 1 hour equals to 60 minutes, so the 3 hours will be 3 into 60 minutes. It means 3 hours has 180 minutes in it. Now let us solve one more example. Let us convert 5 hours and 20 minutes into minutes. Now what we will do here? First we will write since 1 hour equals to 60 minutes. Therefore 5 hour 20 minutes will be, first we will convert 5 hour into minutes. So we will multiply 5 and 60 here, and then we will add the remaining minutes, that is 20. So we will write 5 into 60 minutes plus 20 minutes. That will be 300 minutes plus 20 minutes, and the total of 300 minutes and 20 minutes is 320 minutes. It means if we convert 5 hour 20 minutes into minutes, it will be 320 minutes. Now let us learn how to convert minutes into seconds. Dear students, we know that 1 minute has 60 seconds in it. Let us convert 7 minutes into seconds. For that we will write since 1 minute equals to 60 seconds, therefore 7 minutes equals to 7 into 60 seconds, that is 420 seconds. That means 7 minutes has 420 seconds in it. Now let us convert 9 minutes and 29 seconds into seconds. Dear students, as we know, first we will write since 1 minute equals to 60 seconds, Therefore, 9 minutes 29 seconds will be, first we will convert 9 minutes into seconds. For that we will multiply 9 from 60 and then we will add the remaining second, that is 29 seconds. When we will multiply 9 and 60, it is 540 seconds, and then we will add 29 seconds to 540 seconds, that will be 569 seconds. This is how we converted 9 minutes 29 seconds into seconds. It is 569 seconds. So dear students, that's all for today. Thank you.